Common conjunction errors. Avoid mistakes. Speak like a pro. Hello everyone. Welcome to our video on common conjunction errors. Conjunctions are an essential part of English grammar, connecting words, phrases, and clauses. But sometimes, they can also be a bit tricky. In this video, we're going to discuss some of the most common errors people make with conjunctions and, most importantly, how to avoid them. So, let's get started. First, let's quickly recap what conjunctions are. Conjunctions are words that connect elements within a sentence. These elements could be individual words, phrases, or even complete clauses. Common conjunctions include and, but, or, so, yet, for, nor. Errors often occur when we misuse or misunderstand these connecting words. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the most common conjunction errors. Subsection 2.1. Using and instead of but. One common mistake is using and when, but would be more appropriate. The word and connects similar ideas, while but connects contrasting ideas. For example, I like ice cream and it's cold should be I like ice cream but it's cold. Subsection 2.2. Misusing nor. Nor is another commonly misused conjunction. We use nor when we want to present a second negative option. Always pair nor with neither. So, instead of saying, I don't like apples nor oranges, you should say, I like neither apples nor oranges. Subsection 2.3. Incorrect use of so. Sometimes, we may misuse so. We use so to show the effect or result. But it is incorrectly used to show reason. For instance, I am tired so I didn't sleep well should be, I didn't sleep well, so I am tired. To solidify your understanding, let's do a few quick exercises. I'll present a sentence with a conjunction error. Can you spot the mistake and correct it? 1. I love playing soccer and I'm not good at it. 2. She doesn't like math nor science. 3. He didn't drink enough water so he was thirsty. Try to correct these on your own, and in the next video, we'll discuss the answers. That's it for today's lesson on common conjunction errors. I hope this video was helpful and that you feel more confident about using conjunctions correctly. Remember, the best way to learn is by practice. So keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll soon find yourself making fewer errors with prepositions and conjunctions. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy learning!